Hey everybody, so in my last video I made a salted caramel protein overnight oats with pumpkin, and I just wanted to take a quick video to show you guys how I made it. I'm actually going to take out the protein this time just because I like to have my eggs in the morning, so I'm going to leave the whey protein out, but definitely check out Optimum Nutrition. They have all kinds of different flavors. You know, if you want to make like a chocolate peanut butter or chocolate mint, I mean, the possibilities are endless with overnight oats. That's what's great about it. But so we're gonna go pumpkin spice overnight oats. Have those tomorrow morning. So we got vanilla almond milk, so we won't need any vanilla extract. The 100% pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie filling. That's a little different. We got 1 cup of oats measured out. We're gonna have ground cinnamon, pumpkin spice, a little pinch of salt, and we just gotta mix all this stuff together. So just set up. Alright, so the first thing, take your almond milk and just dump your pumpkin in there. Recipe calls for about a 1/4 teaspoon. Me, I just eye it. Just get enough spice in there. I've been using a lot of pumpkin stuff recently, so got a decent feel for how much spice I like. And there's already cinnamon in pumpkin spice, so just a little bit of cinnamon will work. Just plain ground cinnamon. Pinch of salt. So once you have that, stir it up. Nice and mixed. Get your mug. Mason jars are really popular, but we don't have any. Honestly, not a huge fan of mason jars to begin with, so just any mug will do. Gonna cover it with tin foil. So get that in, and then just slowly add your oats and hopefully not make a mess. Like that. Be a little easier to mix around if you stir it periodically. You can always add more almond milk or more pumpkin, you know, it's whatever flavors suit you. This is only my second time making it, so I had 3/4 of a cup of almond milk last time, and it was a little soupier than I would like, but I also like really chunky oatmeal. And once you have everything in there, just mix it around. Another thing that would be good to add to this is Walden Farms calorie-free syrups. I make chocolate, caramel, maple syrup, which is what I have. I added a little bit to mine this morning. I also I ate about half of mine from my previous video and then heated it up in the microwave, and it was really good. So that is it. It's in there. We're just gonna cover it. Keep that refrigerator taste out. Go over to our fridge. wait for the delicious treat in the morning. Alright, hope you guys enjoy. If you try any of the recipes, be sure to leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Leave the recipes, share them. Go on my Facebook page, websites. Let me know. Take care.